To all those leaders who are against Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i, I want to tell you one simple thing. Be very, very careful na Matiang'i. Asking you about the value. People have underestimated Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i when it comes to the political matters. Umuntawi ko tevanga Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i tanya kuboli bwe MCA, tanya kuboli bwe jumbe, tanya kuboli bwe MP, tanya kuboli amina for senator, tanya kuboli bwe governor, bono president kuboli. Tabu touch on how politics yakolekana Kenya ga. Tena tume karansense na ina monte kera kabisa. Bali ba go oppose Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i in Gusii County, in Gusii region Matiang'i bali tu alenga opposition nasa. Ndoma itenga Matiang'i no alenga at the center. Yoko win kwa Uhuru Kenyatta in 2017 Kero Uhuru Kenyatta awe 2017, Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i no alenga it team ya ku make sure ngivin tombre in order. Because that is a person who has an experience aso kubobo gambi. Now what experience from the elections ekabo won. At a local level, I want to say now be very careful. Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i back in 2022 Tarigovai. And actually, he was not very active politically because he was an interior cabinet secretary. So taringa active as such ara cha campaign. But of course na indicated tinga Monterako support Raila Molo Odinga. Bono during that time, Tigamba is serious even to be a collecanite. Matiang'i did things that you cannot believe. During that time, 2022, Matiang'i introduced a kiam silently on data might. Silently on data might. A kiam make you finally a kianya libo, kikabuobo MCA. Hikabuobo governor, hikabuobo MP onchoke. UPA. Silently on that might. Matiang'i oyo. Aga support chiyo mpitia Jubilee. Women rep Nyamira County Jerusha Momanyi. Akawa funded ni strategy akavekero. Steve Mugaka, umuru modanse no mali abona bakotera 2 term. Akaba supported, akaba funded ni strategy akavekero. Ladies and gentlemen, akabua obujumbe pa West Mugirango. Jerusha Momanyi nera akaba a women rep Nyamira County for the second time, the only woman rep uiranire kalinga. Kabere, ono Matiang'i akorama. Moroja. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i na supported Simbarati. Tigamba tenga never Simbarati obwete chukura kiriba ya landslide. He got a lot of opposition that it needed the intervention of Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i to make things work for him. Ongwae akatana against umuntu budiemu wae oyole Simbarati. Machogu talinge candidate rais. And the only Ruto funded his people via Jumbe, any leader of any category of government. So he go Simbarati na face the opposition. Mpaka Matiang'i akaja intervene. All the MPs who sorova alenge against Raila Molo Odinga, they survived because Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i did not put efforts in their areas. Ali assume akacha akasema tigo sorava saidi ali kaguwa otogamba ochoto monyera. So that is how most of the members of parliament survived. Matiang'i na funded omungwano kurukunga Onyonka. Akafandi Simba no Onyonka. A clear indication that Dr. Okengo Fred Matiang'i has issues to do with politics. Namanya the what to do. Namanya what to do. So ladies and gentlemen, kuikirabu muma itenga Matiang'i tawatu diogi kire chukura chali wako. Muma roche campaign in fact kaliveka Gusii kako announcing support Raila korakiango. No. He came occasionally kira gasira nguna Raila. In some occasions yes naga torichi functions or announce. But the fact is darling in very active campaigns. But yakabwe birogi beyond now at every both in Kisii and Nyamira counties. Ladies and gentlemen, wikirabu ikomanya Matiang'i ne ngiti. Ogusike nyumba pi wakora kwagenda. Ucha nyomba kwa nyole konen. Kwa mwa kwa buri na ki engitie ye na ki yika kinasi kete kirasi na ki yakora ki yika. Kogoli ni estima kogoki engitie ya gosirili kayachi kuchia. Onera Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. Ladies and gentlemen, there one simple thing that is going to happen in 2027. Matiang'i otevere taligochi go interfere na any position but mpaka nominations. Kerego ikiranga chinga gichikire kiama kia nyenju bilio letter is going to give you the freedom n'aba nanchi banyamira. Abatebye nomination nakuleteki nero. Abajumbe habo basokire patagete ticket ekiama kiae totabene ya Jubilee go se UPA. Aba nanchi ba go the chance yoko anda se ballot bachole the candidate bakaneti achiko represent in the general elections. That one will happen. Lakini after nominations na imokora the true colors of Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. Tali go chiko bwatoka bandu walimu amoire. And in fact, ndito wa sure most of those people, if not 100%, ngwe tavali. Matiang'i operates in such a manner you might think is not doing anything. Muna wana higa? Muna toko gamba at this point. Matiang'i are very active politically. But to note, he does not announce his things just like that. Taliko popularize Mwananga and the barrel is doing something. But he knows the value of everything that he does. That is why I threat to Ruto and Raila. That is why Grumundama Eturu Kenyatta Mokopoko, Kashagwa, and Kalonzo. William Ruto ako chaka go park, akonda suwesha kwa wakanyo machirangi. Nako ingirege tia sawacho kuikarasa. Because Dr. King Fred Matiang'i, he knows how to do things. So in a nutshell, Nimani this most of the gooses right now. Mulware Dr. King Fred Matiang'i talikocha kusita leo kwa kiango. Ravuna ko deal na bantu. Simbarati juzi haimogete na atete utie mana Matiang'i. Matiang'i amotike tabu. Akamutike mna moli. Atie na chokanane akwirana akonke. That is how it is. Matiang'i has intellectual ways to deal with. Kerala go solve among education. Tabateli he used to go and get data. Kaku chakokole gento amaite where to hit, how and with what kind of mechanism. Mpaka or manage the solution comfortably. That is Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. So I want to kindly urge those people who are against Dr. King Fred Matiang'i, the likes of Steve Mogaka, Muturi Aligeretiga, Kemosinu Aliga. And then we're not down to 2 terms. We're a 2-year member of parliament. You've not been there for 3 years full. Let me assume you have been there for 3 years then. But you now your advice to see, or go wherever, Dr. King Fred Matiang'i, it is not going to be business as usual. Ask Jerusha Momanyi. She will tell you who is Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. It will come down at some point. Because now who is Dr. King Fred Matiang'i? And I want to urge our lady. Jerusha Momanyi, no more kongore. I let this message reach her. Omo kongore. Motevi anche, aske Matiang'i. Bali mubate message. Motevi ngaki, erani akoli Ruto chukura. Tigaske Matiang'i. Iyo kiti ataka nje, mwingine atapewa, na itakuwa safi. Aenda nyumbani. Timothy, what is your take? But according to my analysis, that is Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. Unengiti.